We worked under Georgia Tech Research Institute in the development of an Azure migration cost calculator. I'll preface our presentation with saying that we signed an NDA which prevents us from sharing any source code and some aspects of our development. Organizations are increasingly moving to the cloud, each with their own motivations, but they face the same challenge, understanding how to move their infrastructure and what it would cost. Traditionally, this planning phase required extensive involvement from technical specialists, system architects, infrastructure engineers, and cloud experts. We've developed a web-based platform that democratizes the cloud migration planning process. Our tool bridges the gap between technical complexity and business decision-making, making cloud migration assessment accessible to a broader audience. It uses AI to understand your requirements in plain English. It connects directly to Azure's pricing APIs for accurate real-time cost estimates. And most importantly, it lets you describe your current setup in your own words and provides detailed migration recommendations. On the user-facing side, we've built a clean, intuitive chatbot interface using React. Behind the scenes, we run Python with Flask to handle the heavy lifting. It powers our API layer that connects the components together and performs cost calculation. The real magic happens with our LLM integration through Olama's API. It's what allows the chatbot to understand your requirements and translate them into technical specifications. We connect directly to Azure's Pricing API to ensure all cost estimations are current and accurate, and everything is backed by a MySQL database, ensuring that your data is stored securely and can be accessed quickly when needed. This is how information is processed. It starts with the user interface, a simple chatbot where users describe their needs. In our primary analysis, Llama 3 handles the conversation, ensuring natural, contextual interactions with users. This lets users explain their needs without getting caught up in jargon. Then our innovation introduces Gemma 2, performing analysis specifically focused on identifying Azure products and requirements. The two-step approach ensures that we don't miss any critical infrastructure needs. Finally, instead of relying on imperfect AI estimations for pricing, we match the refined requirements against our database of actual Azure services. This guarantees that when we tell you that something will cost X dollars, that number is precise and current. This is a screenshot of our interface in action. The design prioritizes simplicity and clarity. On the left, you can see our migration details panel where key information is organized, and the main area shows an example conversation demonstrating how users interact with Egbert. Egbert received user requirements and responded with structured, clear questions and guidance about their migration needs. The conversational format makes complex technical discussions approachable, and our backend ensures that every recommendation is backed by precise data. We set out to remove barriers to cloud migration planning, and with Egbert, we've transformed this complex process into a simple conversation while maintaining the accuracy that businesses need for confident decision making.